children. Today we are going to practice talking in English. We're going to ask some interesting questions and try to answer them by looking at a picture. You have been learning about roadways and railways, and we will practice using some of those words as we look at the pictures. Let's get started. Look at this picture carefully and try to answer the questions. How many people do you see in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many people do you see in the picture? 8 people. How many vehicles do you see in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many vehicles do you see in the picture? 5 vehicles. Can you name the vehicles in the picture? Look at the picture and try and name the vehicles. This is a cycle rickshaw. This is a van. This is an auto. This is a car. How many wheels are in the auto? Let's count. This is the auto. There are 1, 2, 3 wheels. There are 3 wheels in an auto. Have you sat in an auto? If you have sat in an auto, say yes. And if you have not sat in an auto before, say no. Let's look at another picture and try to answer some questions. Where is the train in this picture? Can you see the train? Yes, this is the train. Where is the railway station in the picture? Can you see the railway station? Yes, this is the railway station. Where is the engine of the train in the picture? Do you know what an engine is? Find the engine. Very good. This is the engine of the train. Where are the boy and girl in the picture? Can you find the boy and girl? Yes, this is the boy and girl. What are the boy and girl doing? They are waving at the train. What sound does the train make? Have you heard the sound that a train makes? Make the sound. A train says chuk 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 chuk. Have you sat in a train? If you have sat in a train, say yes. If you have not sat in a train, say no. We hope you enjoyed looking at the pictures and answering some questions. Keep practicing to learn to speak better in English.